Okay. Gentlemen, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
Hanip man na para picture rin talaga dali.
Of the municipality of
Yung ano,
having been elected to the position of for the municipality of Gaisa, Camarines Sur. Hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations sa mga bago natin, councilors! Palakpan po natin.